And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to stitch and do it like pro, privacy and attribution in TikTok. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use your TikTok and you want to do some stitches or do it, then all you can do is simply go and tap open your TikTok, and once you have done this, you can simply select any video you want to do it or like stitch. Simply tap on the share button of that particular video and scroll down the bar. So there you can simply find the option called Duet or Stitch. So if you're gonna do it, then you need to tap on the Duet option, and if you want to stitch this video, you want to go back and tap on the Stitch option. So by following this method, you can simply stitch and do it like pro with privacy plus attribution on TikTok. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.